Here I have Nokia 225 4G, and today I'm going to show you how to remove battery from this device. So to do this, firstly you have to remove back cover from it, then you have to remove battery, just like this, and that's it. That's how it's done. So let's put it back in, and back cover too, and hold down decline call button to turn your device back on. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.